Hello everyone, welcome again, and today I'm going to show you another project in Java. So it's an RTO management system and it's using JSP and Servlets. So it's good for a minor project, or you can use it for the measure also, because it's using all the industry standards like it's using MVC architecture to manage the dependency things. It's using POM. It means it's using Maven, and also following MVC architecture and deployed over the Tomcat server. So to deploy, it's using Tomcat here. So let's run the project and see how the things are working over there. So we are using Eclipse IDE, currently it's using STS, but we can run the same project over the Eclipse as well. To manage the backend, it's using MySQL. So MySQL database, I'm using IDE as a MySQL workbench. So here we have a database RTO management, and in this we have a three table. Let's view the user table data. So now we have two roles in the into the user table. The first role will be always as admin, and the second role will be as a end user. So let's run the project over the Tomcat. So I'm gonna right click on the project, click on run as, and run on server. When you select a server, here is a Tomcat 8.5, and click on finish. Okay, so this will be your home page or welcome page of the project, and the moving animation is there, and also this is your middleware, and this we have a footer here. So this is the nice design, and okay, next page we have as a the first home page will be the home page and will be the same, and next will be the about us page. So here we have a dummy content here, so you can add the, like, you can, if you want, you can change this content over there. So over the contact us page, here we have some contact details, reference contact detail. In case you want to change, you can change it by around. Okay. Next option, the main important thing is login. So we have a login form here. Also, we have a registration form. So if a new user will come and he want to register, he can register from this sign up page. So let's log in first in the admin and check what kind of operation admin can perform into this application. Then we'll move to the user part and we'll see how the user can perform its operation. So I'm going to use this if you are exploring this database and you check the role ID 1, if you find role ID 1 will treat as an admin, and if you find the role ID 2, the data will be treated as a normal user or end user of the application. So for admin, we have a username as an admin, so I'm going to use the same username, and the password is admin123, so I'm going to use this as a password. And when I hit the login button, it will redirect me over there to the admin section. As you can see, this is a name, hi admin, and admin can check the list of all the users. Also, admin can perform the search operation here, search by username and search by name. Also, admin can do edit operations, and admin can, if you want, admin want delete, you can select record and hit the delete button, so data will be deleted from there. Okay, like this. Now if I view the vehicle list, admin also can view vehicle list. So all the operations like search operations, edit operation, delete operation will perform by the admin for the vehicle site, for the vehicle module as well. Also, the third important module of the application is a license application list. So whenever user going to register in the application and apply and fill the application form for the license and apply it, it will come as a request to admin. So admin will have that authority to accept it or reject it. For example, here we have one record as an accept. So when I click on the accept, and here I need to select the option as a reject or accept. So let's say I accept the record and status is changed. Now if I'm going to check it, the status will automatically update it as accepted. If I'm going to reject it, it will show as a reject. Also, for the license module, we have all the CRUD operations, like search option is there, delete operation is there. We cannot edit the request here. Okay, under the my profile, admin can change his records, his profile, change password is there, log out, that's it. Okay, so admin is done. Now register as a new user and check how things are going there. So I'm going to do testing user, and let's say username is testing, and let's say password demo at the rate 123. So we are using some combination of passwords. So it's demo at the rate 123, and let's say testing at the rate gmail.com as my email ID, and the password, and we have a contact number. So I'm going to enter this contact number. So let's copy this username for a future reference. So I just click on to make user profile, and data is registered successfully. Now, if I'm going to go to my database and refresh the table, then I can see the new record is there into the database. Now, let's log in as a user that we just create. So I enter testing at the rate testing as a user, and demo at the rate 123 as a password. So I logged in with this newly registered user into the application, and again the animation will come as a welcome page. And here we have an option to vehicle registration. So a user can send a registration vehicle registration number. So let's say I enter the owner name. So I enter XYZ and enter the registration number. So registration number will follow a format. The format will be like this. You have to you are not going to use any special character as any special symbol there. You just need to write the number in this format, otherwise it will give you validation error. So let's say I'm going to enter this, and when I hit submit, it says registration number not proper format. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, here we have an option to vehicle type, so we can select two-wheeler or four-wheeler and enter the registration date. So let's say I'm going to enter today's date, and the chassis number we need to some integer number that should be 4 or 5 digit. Like we can, I think we can use that 5 digit integer, and the model name. So let's say I enter some dummy model name. So model testing, model name testing. Okay, so now let's register, and you can see vehicle successfully registered. Now currently, if you see the check status over the license, it's not showing any status. So now apply for an driving license, and then we'll log in as an admin and check the complete process. So this is another scenario and another module of the application. So this is called a license. So under the license, we need to enter the name. So name should be the same as a user. So let's say I'm going to use this name. So I'm going to use this name. So this name will display here, and I use the gender, and let's say date of birth. It should be more than 17 or 17 or 18 year. So birthplace. So let's say I enter some dummy data here as a birthplace, and address. So I'm entering dummy data, and the type of license. So we have a three categories here: light motor vehicle, medium vehicle, or heavy vehicle. So I select heavy vehicle, or let's say light vehicle. I need to choose an image over there. So let's say I'm going to use some image. Let's say I'm going to use this image. Okay, and click on the apply. Say application also this, and okay, we need to check the name here. So I need to use a username here. That is a one kind of validation. Okay, I didn't select the database. And okay, we need to choose the image again. Okay, this form using heavy like validation thing, so that's why the data was not entering, and now I have entered the perfect combination, so it's going to work. So thank you, admin will verify your information. Now if I check the status, is not the same. So now let's log in as an admin and approve the status of this user. So I'm going to use by this credential, and when I view this license application list, it will show me like new entry is there, new request is there for a license application, and again we have an option to accept it as an admin. So I just accept it, save the changes. Now if I check the application list, I'll accept it. So this is the complete demo, I think. And for the RTO management system, if you need this source code, you can contact us over the below detail. Also check the link in the description box. So this link will be redirect you to grab the complete detail of this project, and you can contact us over the Gmail or WhatsApp. So once you will contact us, well, team will contact you within an hour and will process the project, will share the project with you. Also, in case if you need a remote support for the configuration and if you want to learn this kind of development, like how the project are developed, if you want training sessions, you can also join. Contact us for that. Thank you.